So, on the basis of periodic arrangement of atoms, crystals are grouped in three systems. In the present context, only cubic and hexagonal crystal structures are considered, as most of the metals and alloys belong to those two systems. In crystal structure, the smallest unit is one unit cell, which is characterizes the specific arrangement and location of atoms. There are three types of unit cells with cubic crystal structure, such as SC, BCC and FCC. The SC means the simple cubic, BCC means the body centered cubic, and the FCC means the face centered cubic. Here I am going to show you the diagram of this three cubic system. So here is the crystal lattice example. One is BCC, one is FCC and one is hexagonal. So crystal structure is described in terms of the geometrical arrangement. So the geometry of the unit cell is defined as a parallelepiped providing 6 lattice parameters taken as the length of the cell edge 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So every face has the 6 faces. So it is only necessary to report the coordinates of the smallest asymmetric subset of particles. This group of particles may be chosen so that it occupies the smallest physical space, which means that not all the particles need to be physically located inside the boundaries given by the lattice parameters. All other particles of the unit cell are generated by the symmetry operation that characterize the symmetry of the unit cell. So the collection of symmetry operations of the unit cell is expressed formally as the space group of the crystal structure. So here is the crystal lattice structure. One of crystal lattice structure is showing like this. So for the cubic structure, it is a case of simple cubic crystals. The lattice vectors are orthogonal and of equal length. Similarly, for the reciprocal lattice, so in this common case, the Miller indices both simply denote. And for the FCC or the face centered cubic and body centered cubic lattices, the primitive lattices vectors are not orthogonal. However, in these cases, the Miller indices are conveniently defined relative to the lattice vectors of the cubic supercell and hence are again simplify the Cartesian direction. So here is the types of crystals. This is the types of crystal. And ideal crystal. First is ideal crystal and the next one is real crystal. Crystal is categorized into two types. One is ideal and next one is real. So a ideal crystal of a perfect structure with none of the structural defects inevitable in real crystals. The ideal crystals is a theoretical model widely used in solid state theory. A crystal of perfect shape in which physically equivalent facets are identically developed. Crystals close to the ideal are grown in suspension in a well-mixed supercooled solution. So, in the simple words, in ideal crystals, the atomic arrangement is perfectly regular and continuous, where the crystal or the real crystal, the cast and weld objects are never been perfect. Here is the diagram of the ideal crystal and the real crystal. Here the real crystal is this one and the ideal crystal is this one. In the real crystals, the atoms or molecules are not in the continuous or not in the perfect set, but in ideal crystal, every molecules, every atoms are in a continuous direction or the perfect shape. So a crystal for which the finite extent of the crystal and its various imperfections and defects are taken into account, it is known as real crystal. Next is our crystal imperfection. So in this chapter, our main part is the imperfection of crystal. So the crystal imperfection is what? Crystals are not perfect. And important characteristics which determine some important properties of crystalline material is the presence of imperfection. Except some ideal crystals, most of the crystals have some type of defects or imperfections. Here the imperfections means is the defect. The defect in the crystalline material is same as well as the imperfection is in the crystal material. So crystal defect or imperfection in the regular geometrical arrangement of the atoms in a crystalline solid. These imperfections result from deformation of the solid or the rapid cooling from high temperature or high energy radiation striking the solid. So all crystals are not composed of identical atoms or identically sized throughout a regular repeating 3D lattice. These imperfections or defects are used to describe any deviation from an orderly periodic array of atoms and influence the characteristics like mechanical strength, electrical properties and chemical reactions. So, in a crystalline solid, when the ideal arrangement of solid is distorted around a point or atom, it is called point defect. Or the crystal imperfection have the various types of imperfection. Like that, see, it is the classification of imperfection defects. These are the basis classes of crystal defect. One is point defect, which are cases where an atom is missing or regularly placed in the lattice structure. It is known as point defect. And the point defect is again characterized or that is vacancy, interstitialities, impurities and electronic defect. And the next characteristics of the classification of imperfection, that is line defect. Linear defects, which are groups of atoms in irregular position, is called line defect. It is again classified into two types, that is edge dislocations and screw dislocations. Next is the planar defect, which are interfaces between the homogeneous regions of the material. It is called planar defect. And the planar defect is differentiated by three, that is grain boundaries, tilt boundaries and twin boundaries. And the last part is the volume defect. So there are totally 4 types of defect or 4 types of imperfection in a crystal material. That is, point 1 is point defect, then line defect, then the planar defect, and the last part is the volume defect. So there are many types of lattice imperfection found in crystals, like the self-interstitial atoms or extra atom in an interstitial positions, or substitutions impurity atoms, that is impurity atoms substituting an atom in crystal lattice, or the Frenkel defect, that is extra self-interstitial atom that is responsible for the vacancy nearby. So line defect, that is linear crystal defects, are edge and screw dislocation. So it is all about the classification of imperfection or the classification of the defect also, you can say it.